Welcome to Simply Math. Today I will discuss on quadratic equation with one variable. In previous class I have already discussed on linear inequation. What is quadratic equation? It's a general form. There is a form is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is standard form of quadratic equation where a cannot be 0. If a is 0, then equation would be linear equation. That is why a cannot be 0. So this is a standard generic equation where a, b, c is a variable and a cannot be 0. So any equation which put in this form is called quadratic equation. This is the 5th chapter in your book and I.C.S.E. syllabus or Algebra. So now this form is called quadratic equation, and any form of equation if we can reduce in this form, this is called quadratic equation. Now if alpha is the root of this equation, if alpha is the root of this equation, that means alpha will satisfy this equation. What is implies that if alpha is a root of this equation, then alpha will satisfy. Means a alpha square plus b alpha plus c is equal to 0. That means x is equal to alpha. One is the solution is of this equation, x is equal to alpha. If alpha is the root of the equation, then in different way we can say x is a solution, x is equal to alpha. X is a solution as the alpha, and alpha will satisfy this equation. Means a alpha square b alpha plus c is equal to 0. Left hand side will be equal to right hand side. Now we take some example about quadratic equation. Now here is a problem. There is one problem. Check whether it is a quadratic equation or not. Take an example. So we will take this example 1, 5. What is given that x plus x plus 2 by x is equal to x square. X cannot be 0. What is implies it? It implies this or x square plus 2 is equal to x square, or x square plus 2 is equal to x cube, or x cube minus x square minus 2 is equal to 0. That means it is not a quadratic equation. Here power is 3. So it is not a quadratic equation. Take another example. That means it implies not quadratic equation. Not quadratic. Take another example. X minus 3 by x is equal to 2. Equal to x cannot be 0, or x square minus 3 is equal to 2, or x square minus 3 is equal to 2x, or x square minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, it is a quadratic equation. Why it is a quadratic equation? Because it represents as a ax square plus bx plus c. This is in this pattern or in this standard form equation, ax square plus bx plus c. This is a standard equation. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2, and c is equal to minus 3. But it is not a standard form, ax square plus bx square plus c. That is why this is not a quadratic equation. This is quadratic equation. This is not a quadratic equation. So this type of problem may come. Take another 1, 2, 3. Now there is a problem. If root 2 is the root of the equation, root 2 is the root of kx square minus plus root 2x minus 4 is equal to 0. Minus 4 is equal to 0. Find the value of k. Kx square plus root 2x minus 4 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation where root 2 is a root. Root means it's a, therefore, since root 2 is a root of the equation, then root 2 will root 2 will satisfy the equation. Therefore, k root 2 square plus root 2 into root 2 minus 4 is equal to 0, or root 2 k into 2 plus 2 minus 4 is equal to 0, or 2k minus 2 is equal to 0, or 2k is equal to 2, or k is equal to, therefore the value of k is 1. Therefore the value of k is 1, because here root 2 is the root of the equation this. Find the value of k. The problem was root 2 is the root of this equation. What is the value of k? If root 2 is the root of the equation, then root 2 will satisfy the equation. Means if we put root 2 instead of x, it will be 0. So we put root 2 instead of x and find the value. Then value of k is 1. Clear? We take another problem. Next problem, same problem. If a is the root of x square minus a plus bx minus plus k, find the value of k. If a is the root of this equation, x square minus a plus b into x plus k is equal to 0, then find the value of k. If a is the root of this equation, if a is the root of this equation, means a will satisfy the equation. Means a square minus a plus b into a plus k is equal to 0. Putting x is equal to a square minus a plus b into a plus k is equal to 0, or a square minus a square minus ab plus k is equal to 0, or k is equal to ab. Okay. Therefore k is equal to ab. We just putting the value a instead of x, and then just solve the equation. We will find the value of k. Value of k is ab. Value of k is ab. The very easy problem. Now we took another problem. What is that? If 2 by 3 and minus 3 are the root of the equation, find the value of P and Q. If 2 by 3 and minus 3 both are root of the equation px square 7x plus q, px square plus 7x plus q is equal to 0. Both are the roots of this equation. Find the value of p and q. P and q, we have to find out the value of p and q. So if 2 by 3 is the root of this equation, then first we put 2 by 3 instead of x. So p into 2 by 3 square plus 7 into 2 by 3 plus q is equal to 0, or 4p by 9 plus 14 by 3 plus q is equal to 0. We get this equation, and another equation we will get if putting minus 3. So p minus 3 whole square plus 7 into minus 3 plus q is equal to 0. 9p minus 21 plus q is equal to 0. This is the one, this is the two equation. 9p minus 21 plus q is equal to 0. We marked as 2. This is we marked as 1. Now, if we 2 minus 1, what do we get? We will get 9p minus 21 plus q is equal to 0 minus 4p by 9 minus 14 by 3 minus q is equal to 0. That means for 9p minus 4p by 9 minus 21 minus 14 by 3 is equal to 0. Or 81p minus 4p is equal to 363 minus plus 14. Both these figures we transfer it to right hand side. It will be plus, it will be plus. Therefore, 77p by 9 is equal to 77 by 3. Therefore, p is equal to 77 into 9, 77 into 3. Therefore, p is equal to 3. Putting values in 1. 2. Put P is equal to 3 in equation 2. What is this? 9 into 3 minus 21 plus Q is equal to 0. 27 minus 21 plus Q is equal to 0. 6 plus Q is equal to 0, or Q is equal to minus 6. Therefore, P is equal to 3 and Q is equal to minus 6. This is the result. P is equal to 3 and Q is equal to minus 6. So, what we have done? We have done put this value root first this equation and we are getting the result in equation number 1, and next we put the value minus 3 into the equation and we will get the result equation number 2, and then we just solve it 2 minus 1 and we just simplify this and we get the result P is equal to 3, and putting the value P is equal to 3 into this equation and we get the result Q is equal to minus 6. So we will discuss more about quadratic equation in next chapter, in the next class. Those who are not following me, please follow me and subscribe my channel and share this video or class with your friends and practice the rest of the problems. If find any problem, please comments on this my channel, and if you find any difficult to understand, please let me know, and definitely will subscribe my channel. Thank you.